Hello everyone, I'm Zishan Shah and welcome to Z Interactive YouTube channel, your own training institute. Now in this new lesson, what we'll learn is that how we can put some opacity map for uh, these cards, for the lock gauge, for the handle, plus some opacity maps under here on the vents to make sort of a hole here. And apart from this, how we can add a opacity map to this whole new part. So let's start with it. And what we need here are some maps here. Okay. And that those are, like, suppose I have one is this. Okay. Let's zoom out and see. This is for the lock, I guess. Okay, so I will add it here and add a blend to it. Oops. Blend, not this. Delete it. Only blend I need it. And then I want this. I will take it from here in the foreground. Add. I have two of these. Okay. And I will make another blend node out of this. And then we need this one, which is for the handle. Put it here and add. Okay, so we have these. So I will make this a little longer. Okay. Now what do we need here is this part. So what I'm going to do, take it from here. Okay. Put it here, Alt. Then let's see what else we need. We need this. And I can take from here. Alt. And let's see what else we have. We have this. Or this. I think this is the best one. I will take Alt. Here. Or I think, let's not use this one. Let's use the one that we have here. Alt. Okay, this is the one that we needed. And now what I'm going to do, take an output from here. Okay, bring it here. Blend node. Take this one and put it inside the foreground. And then I will use subtract. There we go. And I will take an output from here, put it here, blend node, take this blend node, I'll put it here, and then subtract. We have this as well. So I will take one more from here, put it here, blend node, take this, put it inside the foreground, and subtract. We got all this. Now what I'm going to do is that take this out, use a output, okay, and rename this output to opacity in the identifier also, and in the label also. You can also write a description here if you want for anyone else who's opening this, but I will for now I will leave it as it is. Now I will add an item here. In the usage, I will use opacity here because this is an opacity map. So I'll just go all the way back here, search for opacity. Where do we have opacity? Oops. Opacity, enter. Okay, now I can right click here and view output in a 3D view. So I got this one here. Okay, now what I need here is create a inverse. And here we go. We got this part. Okay, now issue here is that these lines here, which is causing some of the issues. We have to just work on these lines to fix them. Let's go back here. Okay, these are the ones. So what we need to do here is that now these, basically these. So here what I'm going to do, add a distance, or you can add a like Gaussian blur. So it's totally up to you. And I need a very short distance here, maybe 0.2 or something. Okay, so it can create a little bit distance here. Then I can add a level, and I will increase the white amount as this, so it will remove this gap. I'll push this way back there till we get rid of that part from here. Okay, so a little bit to this side as well. Okay, so we got the lock here. Now it's clear. Now we will move to the lock gauge to fix this gap here. Okay, you might notice that there's something weird going on here with this card, but don't worry about this because in OpenGL it do show, but if we will use iRay, okay, so it won't show in the iRay. So don't worry about that. So let's go back to OpenGL. Okay, so now we'll do the same thing what we did here. Okay, if you want, you can take these, or we'll apply our own here. So where we are now, we are in lock gauge, like the lock gauge here. The distance, okay. So let's add a distance here, 0.2, something like that. Okay. I think 0.2 is a little smaller for the lock gauge because the size of lock gauge is much more bigger. So let's 6, and then we can change on later. We can change later on, and then I will add a level here. We'll see if it works, and then otherwise we will change the values. Okay, all the way back there. Okay, a little bit more we need, maybe 0.8 or something. No, 0.8 is too much. You will see this. Let's go back to iRay just to see if it is working, because here the issues with this. So don't focus here, just focus. You will focus here. Okay. So I think 0.3 is fine. Okay. Don't worry about that. What this weird thing is taking it up, because this happens in the OpenGL. Now here we have same issue. Okay, this gap in the handle. So here I'll add distance. So you can use either a distance, or you can add like Gaussian blur, and then you can fix that. Just totally up to you. 0.3 here in the distance. Well, and then I'll add a levels here, and once levels is added, then we can like decide if we need more distance or not. So for now, we are fine. Later on, once we will move to array, we can change and that too on the array. For now, we'll keep it as it is. Here you can see that it's climbing over the card, and it should not climb over the card. That means the distance is a little higher, so it should go 0.2. Yep, now it's fine. It's not overlapping, or it's not showing up on the card, so that's fine here. Okay, now we are done with these. The main were these. Now we need to work on the opacity map of this gap here. So what I'm going to do is that move these apart. Okay, and let's see where we have this door gap. Here's the door gap. See, here it is. So I'll take it from here and put it here. Add. Okay. And we have a gap here. Yeah, now you can see through the door. Okay, now next is the vents here. What I'm going to do, I'll just move it here, add a blend node here, or let's just put a blend node here, and I'll take my shape. Okay, put it here. Add it up, and you can see everything is black gone because everything is like became black because like it's inverse there. What I want is that just go here, scale it down. Okay, and I'll just double click it here, single click here, so I can please change the size of this. Okay, well, before doing that, what I can do, add a trapezoid here. Okay, trapezoid transform without any sort of tiling. Stretch the top part. Okay, scale it. This much, and then we can decide what we want. I will put a transform 2D to it. Okay, double click it here, single click it here, see where it should go. Shift and make it smaller. Tiling mode, no tiling mode here. Almost we are there. Okay, so I'll just use my keyboard arrow keys to just these. Okay, and then I'll go back here, single click it, and increase its x-axis somewhat like this, and trapezoid, drop stretch more. Okay, okay, we are done with this part. Now what we can do here is that we can add more of these. So blend. Okay, I will put this here on the foreground, put this here, here, add. Here I will add one more transform, so I can, with my arrow keys, I can move it to the left side. Okay, two we got. Now add another blend node here. This will go here, and this with the transform here. I'll double click this transform, click it here, and with the keyboard I will move this up. Oops, this should be add. Sorry. Now I'll double click here, single click here, and then with my keyboard arrow keys I can move it. Okay, now what else I can do here? Add another blend. Okay, let's move this up to the foreground, change this to add, take this one, use mirror grayscale. So the bottom one we can mirror it on the top. Okay, so it will help more. And here, let's see, mirror y-axis. Oh, it can only go down, cannot go up. That's the shame. That's a shame. So let's do one thing. I got an idea. Well, no, but that idea won't work. So mirror didn't work. Let's take a transform. Double click it here, single click it here. There, okay, I can move it up. Okay, and now I'll take a blend node here. Okay, use it at add. Take this single one and alt use a transform here, put it inside. Now I will go down here. So double click it here, single click here, and then using my mouse, I will move it down. Coming there. Now what I will do, shift on, sorry, with my keyboard, I can move it down with the arrow keys on the keyboard till it reaches here. Okay. And then in the middle, and press Alt and scale it wide. I'll put it here. And what I can do is that I can take this dot and put it here. Now what it will do is that it will take this dot, this point, as a registration point. So if I will increase it, it will increase the, if I will increase the size, it will increase from this, from here. Okay, so this will a little bit help me. Okay. Okay. Now, as you know, I was trying to apply the mirror up there. So I was doing the mirror in the like after the blending. So I was supposed to do it before. So here whatever mistake I did there, I won't do it. I will mirror it like just now before creating other nodes. Otherwise it will not mirror. Okay, and mirror, I will use the y-axis. Okay. Something like 0.171. Okay, 1.7. Yeah. So I will change the value here a little bit just to make sure it goes in the right. Yep, that's fine. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is it should go a little bit down. Go to 175. Okay, fine, good. Now I will make another blend here. Choose add. Take this one. Add a transform. Okay. Add it here. Single click it here. Then single click on screen and use my arrow keys on the keyboard to arrange it. This is what I was supposed to do it before here, so I could have less number of nodes. So this mirror scale usually helps. So I was supposed to make a mirror scale, then move it around. But it's okay. We got these vents here, all of the vents here. We have all these here. We have all here also. Okay. And one thing we need to do is that we need to subtract this out of it. Okay. Where is that? Here it is. So what I'm going to do is that make a blend node here. For now, I'll put add here so that I can see everything. And then hinges. Here are the hinges. Okay. So I will take these from here. Okay. Or yeah, from here. Plug it in the top of these and use subtract. So there we go. Okay, so we got this long but organized stuff here. Okay, so what we can do here is that whatever we have on the bottom here, we can select this all, add a frame, change its color to green, call this frame opacity map. Okay, I will save this one, and then here all these I will add roughness. The title will go very long. You have to zoom in to see the complete title, otherwise you know it will look like all jumbled up. Okay, so like this, so you have to zoom in to see the whole thing. That's one issue there. I don't know if they can add an option that change the size of the title while zooming out or something like that, so we won't have this issue. Okay, and then here also I'll add roughness, Control C, Control V. Here or here, wherever you feel. Okay, so I hope you have learned something from this lesson. Okay, as I told you about, don't worry about this card right now, because in next lesson, in the next lesson, we will do some rendering over here. So in using like iRay. So in iRay, usually these problems won't occur, or if you will take it to some other applications, like if you will take it to Maya or Unreal Engine, so so there also you will not get this issue or this problem there. It won't occur there. So only here, like for, I don't know, for some reason here, maybe there is some option I don't know about it. If anyone knows about that option, you can tell me. Okay, but in iRay, this issue won't happen, or in any other application, if you're taking this, it won't happen. So thanks a lot everyone for joining this lesson, and I'm really thankful for you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your continuous support. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos but not have subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications about the great new contents I will be uploading soon. If you have liked my video, so please hit the like button. If you have any queries or questions, then leave them in the comment section below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is, I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. So please, if anyone is doing that and you find someone doing this, then please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off, and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to get demotivated, and I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all. Therefore, help me to get new subscriber. I will take off now, and take care, guys, till we meet in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.
There is one important announcement I would like to make. I have started 3 great membership plans on my channel. I have introduced ZI Friends membership plan, which will give you exciting perks like loyalty badges and priority on comments. I have also introduced ZI Early Bird plan, which will give access to Z Interactive tutorials way early before they become public. So you will get all these lessons at once and you can binge watch. Last but not the least, I have introduced ZI Premium plan, which will give access to advanced professional tutorials, which you will find at very expensive outside, and I will be giving this at a very low amount of price. So visit my channel now and click on the join membership to get more information. I hope you become one of my members. If you want to learn how to create a highly detailed prop procedurally using Substance Designer, so this premium tutorial series is for you. Join my premium membership plan on YouTube and get access to all premium tutorials. In this tutorial series, I will demonstrate how to use Substance Designer along with simple geometry to create a realistic, smashed up retro television.